need some inspiration. This is making me hungry. Oh, I know. I always come prepared. Are you kidding me? What? I need to eat? You always think with your stomach.
Mom, do something.
I'm sorry, honey. This won't take long. You can't rush perfection.
I'm so bored. This isn't fair.
Can you hurry up? Emma's upset. Give me that. Get your own rice. No! Look what you did. We'll talk about this later. There's rice everywhere. Hold on. This gives me an idea. I'll put some drops of food coloring into a glass of water. Then I'll give it a stir. Now I'll add rice. Next, I need this glue. I'll apply the glue to my drawing. I'll only put it on the grass area. Then I need my rice. I'll sprinkle the rice over the glue. I can use different colored rice for different parts of the drawing. Now I can blow off the excess rice. Wow! It looks good enough to eat. What do you think, Emma?
Huh? Wow! I love it, Mom! What about you, Dad?
Huh? Did you say something, Emma? Wait, what's going on? There's only one thing for it. The things I do for my family.
Dad looks silly!
I'm not finished yet. I need some paper. Check this out. It's a self-portrait.
It's great, but Mom wins this round.
Thanks, sweetie. You don't need to clean your room now. Oh, how about some shadow puppets?
Shadow puppets?
Pretty impressive, huh?
Why didn't you start with this? It's so entertaining!
Breaking out the old shadow puppets, eh? It doesn't look that hard. Oh, I have an idea. I'll place my hand on the paper, then draw around it. Now I just need to add the finer details, like some eyes. It's a dragon! But he isn't finished yet. He needs some color. Can't forget about the flame. Check this out.
Wow!
I thought you'd like it. I'm gonna try some balloon art. It's a dog! Hey, stay back, boy! Run away!
What a show! You both win!
Look! Oh, amazing! What's that smell? It stinks! It's getting stronger. Oh, I might have known. What's wrong? That's my natural odor. It smells great. I have just the thing. Use it. A lot. Fine. At least you won't smell. Thanks. Oh, it's like the night we met. My personal hygiene was bad that night, too. It was so romantic. Give me a kiss. Like I would ever say no.
Yuck! That's so gross!
Huh? Oh, hi, honey. Sorry. Now what am I gonna do? Wait a minute. I think I have an idea. Listen to this, dear.
What are they doing?
Got it? Let's get to work. First, I'll take the deodorant apart. Just like this. Now I'll fill the container with paint. Then put the roller back on. When I press it on the paper, paint comes out. It's just like a paintbrush. And it's great for creating art. Look at that! It deserves to be in a frame. Look at this. It's wonderful. It's a joint effort.
Whoa!
We can hang it in the living room. It can replace the photo of Grandma. Behave!
It's a tie!
Well deserved! That deserves a quick kiss.
These crayons are nice. Here, Mommy!
Good throw. I got it! This is too easy. Aw, I might have gotten a little excited. They're all broken. Good luck with that. It's alright. I've got this glue. I'm great at DIY. They'll be as good as new. Let's try it out. Oh, pretend that didn't happen. Don't worry. I have a backup plan. I can use this. You're kidding, right?
That's not gonna work, Dad.
At least I'm trying. There's only one thing for it. Honey, put the hammer down! I know what I'm doing. Wait a minute. I have a better idea. I'll scatter the chalk over this butterfly template. Then place a plastic sheet over the top. Now to work out my tension. This is my kind of art. We need to talk later. I'll focus on my art. It's not too bad. I'm finished too. I'll remove the template. It looks good. Do you like it? Or do you like my watermelon?
Ooh, this is tough. It's a tie!
I'll take it. Well done!
Woo! This is fun! Ooh, what's this?
Just look at her. Emma, put that down.
Nah.
Stop it right now, young lady. Are you listening to me? Uh-oh. Her eye is doing that weird twitching thing. That's trouble. Take it easy. Try this. Give me that. I can feel the tension melting away. That's better. You just get me, dear. Wait, I think I can use this. I'll start by drawing a tree. You gotta love nature. This black pen is perfect for the branches and trunk. That looks good. Now I'll take a small square of bubble wrap and dip it in paint. I'll mix the pink and white. I'll dab it over the drawing. It gives the impression of leaves. It's a beautiful blossom tree. Do you like it, Emma? Oops. Silly me.
Wow, Mom! It's amazing!
Hey, maybe I can use this too. I know what to do. How do I look? No one say better looking. I'm a work of art. Are you for real?
It's great, Dad! The winner is… Mom!
Again? Wow, what an honor. Really? Let me pop that bubble. It's a bird call. And your first art challenge.
Let's think. Oh, this scarf. This shouldn't be too hard for me. What? Is that what I think it is? Get out of here, you silly bird! At least that gives me a leg up here. In fact, I have just the thing to give me that extra edge. How did this get in there? Whatever. As I was saying… Huh? Is this some kind of cruel joke? Okay, finally! My stuff! Oh great, another boring book. Not helpful. Goggles? None of this stuff is useful at all. What's all this math? Like I know what any of this means. On second thought, I can use numbers to help me. Once I get the body down, I can use a few magic numbers over here. And on the head, too. It's starting to look like a bird, right? Just wait till the color comes in. You okay there, my little chickadee? I'll give you nice, beautiful feathers. With all the colors of the rainbow. It's finished! What do you think? Can you see the numbers in it? Stunning! And you? I got stuck under some bad weather. This is as far as I got. Ooh! You won this round, Annie. Aw, yay! For me? Thanks. I can't work under these conditions. I guess I should have seen that coming. My sweet, sweet good boy. So handsome. In fact, why don't you two draw him? Now! Oh, it's on! And I'm a doggy expert. It's just a head, body, and 4 legs. But this looks a little dull, doesn't it? Ugh! Let me try this again. I think bigger's the way to go. Ugh, still bad. Nope. Still awful. Gah! Oh! Hey! Huh? What? Calm down. Hey, I think I have an idea. I can use my hand as a guide. Because once I have the outline down, I can get creative with all the details. Trust me, this is gonna turn out awesome. See? Now all that's left is some color. And this good boy is giving chocolate brown vibes. Can't forget that pink tongue. A doggy trademark. Ta-da! Like what you see? The resemblance is uncanny.
And yours? Annie?
What?
No drawing? That means you've won, Miss Emma.
Ooh, these look delicious! Thank you! Chocolate doggies! I'm starting with this one. Looks good. So creamy. No fair! Calm down, dear. Just take one. Oh, really? Thank you.
Think you can draw this? Now get going!
Psh, this is gonna be a piece of cake. Pink's the name of the game this round. Oh yeah. First comes the paper cup. Bubblegum Pink's my fave. Oh, she didn't even consider sizing. I'd say that's about 5 inches. And now onto the yummiest part. So good. But maybe green was the wrong choice. Oh.
Yes? Is that supposed to be ice cream?
Whoa! I didn't mean to draw this. You wanted green, right? Amateur mistake. I say the more realistic, the better. Starting with the big, creamy scoops. Color should always come second. You create a better foundation this way. See what I mean? You can't go wrong with all the little details. See? Ice cream! It's written right on the cup. And now it's finally time for some color. All this ice cream is making me hungry. That's what happens when you get real with what you're drawing. Almost done. Just a few more details here. And there. I'm finished. Feast your eyes on this.
Huh? Oh, let me see here. Now that's what I call a masterpiece. Here.
Yeah? Whoa! It turned into a real bucket of ice cream. This may be the best prize yet. Ugh, this is torture. I don't even like broccoli. Ugh, it tastes like a tree.
Of course. A little realism is in order. Ladies?
Hey! Oh, sorry about that. Is that a hand we're drawing? Okay, fine. I have a plan. Let's see. This hand could work. But this one is way better! Yep. Talk about lending a hand. All I have to do is trace this thing. I've got this round in the bag. Hey, look!
One moment.
Seriously? Okay. This thing's kinda fun. Actually, I know. Good girl. Huh? Annie? Huh? Well, that was odd. Got any wax in there? Huh? Knock it off, I'm trying to work here. Ugh! Wait. You know what? This may come in handy. Art is all about inspiration, not copying. And those twisted fingers got my brain going. Can't go wrong with red nails, right? This thing is really coming together. All finished! Where'd she go?
Oh, anyway.
Hey, hands up. Okay. Whoa, how'd she manage that? Mine looks so lame next to hers.
Meh. Oh my word! Stunning!
Who's she waving in? Just my prize is all. And wow, this one's spectacular! I'm the art queen. Jealous? Good job! Don't even think about it.
Ooh. The next challenge is upon us.
I've seen plenty of apples in my day. I know just where to start. And the perfect circle is key here. But where am I supposed to put the stamp? This circle takes up the whole page. Ugh. Back to square one. I could use a little inspo. Wait! I spy the perfect apple! She seems good and distracted. I'm going in. Mission Apple Impossible in full effect. I'm armed and ready. A clean, careful cut is all it takes. Huh? What is Annie doing? Knock it off! Sit down! Sorry. Aw, man, I was close too. Huh. Guess I'll just draw what I know. Like the word. Apple. That's easy. P-P-L-E. Wait a minute. If I divide the word by 5, or rather, an apple, I get one big step closer to my result. Okay, let's make that 5 a little bigger. Who knew the number could take up a whole half of an apple? You would never even know that it started out as a number. Especially not when you fill it in. With just the right blending, this thing jumps off the page. Oop, can't forget about the stem. Create a little shadowing. And a few extra little details. And this thing looks good enough to eat! Don't you agree? Ta-da! All finished! Me too! How realistic! And how… flat. Well, this is a no-brainer. Bravo, Annie! I won! Yes! I wish I had a real apple. Me too. Ugh! Someone already chewed through this one! Ugh! Ha! Luckily mine's fresh.